Hello, buddies, in the whole universe. Hope everything is fine. I'm a Russian who brings value to my own experience. And today we're gonna walk through the Podolsk. It is our city where I'm located now. And I want to talk about the languages that I learn, programming languages and natural languages, but especially about programming languages, okay? As you maybe know, I learn right now Russian because I'm Russian and I want to improve it in the meaning of I do practicing it. Also, I practice my English because I know how to speak. You maybe understand me pretty well in some topics not, because of the vocabulary. It is not like super connected, because you maybe know words I don't, but you maybe know words but I don't know the words that you understand. Our associations, they are different, maybe in a way of like in Russia we have stereotypes specific, we have specific culture, and in your country it is different culture, you understand? And the same with vocabulary. You maybe don't know words that I know, and I maybe don't know words that you know, okay? And also Russian language, English language, and also I learn Spanish, like ¿Cómo estás? Estoy muy bien, me llamo Igor de Rusia, and other things. Also I learn German, it is Wie geht's? Schönen Tag, schönen Abend, and other things. And I learned it, I have been learning it for a long period of time, by the way. And not German, but different languages. And also I learn programming languages. And also Indonesian languages. It will be cool to learn also Dansk language, it is Danish. And also some of the Hindi. Also something like Malaysian, Bahasa Malayu, or maybe it will be cool to learn Arabic things, yes, and other things in our world. Ukrainian will be too good, but I kind of speak right now not super confident. I mean that a little bit of shy because of the girls around us, and it will be good to learn. Mexican type of speaking, also some of the French, it will be good, and other. It is easy, need only to do, that's all. The same with programming languages. I know that there are a lot of programming languages: Swift, Ruby, JavaScript, Java, Pascal, also C++, C Objective, also C#, other things, Python, and SQL language, also some of the databases, MariaDB, also the specific language for, I forgot what's the name of it, it is Docker language, also some of the libraries of the language, it is like sub-language, and the libraries, they are like dialects of the language, because look, we have libraries in languages. For example, libraries of Python, and also we have the specific dialects in, for example, in English, or maybe in German, or in Spanish, jargones, yes, and you have them in your country for specific type of people. Because of their location, they are locating, for example, in the United States, or maybe in UK. You have different types of language in those two different locations. And it means, one moment, we'll walk here and we'll continue. I feel a little bit of shy when people are watching at me, and when I do this, maybe I should feel kind of more confident and showing that I can. Yes, okay. And we have jargonisms, also we have the dialects, and in programming way we have libraries for computer, for programs. For example, in Python we have Matplotlib. It is for plots and also for some of the charts, like pictures with x and y axis. Axis, it is the like ordinate and axis things, and also for visualization, like histogram and things of like with bars, bars on the graph. And I'm a bit of shy again because of the girls are walking to our side. And we have Matplotlib, also Pandas we have, and also the Keras, it is for machine learning, TensorFlow for machine learning, also others. Some girls, they are really cute, nice. And Keras, also TensorFlow, Pandas, NumPy, SciPy, also scikit and others we have in Python, and they are like dialects. When we speak different dialects, for example, I speak Pandas, I speak Matplotlib, I speak, for example, NumPy or scikit-learn or SciPy, and we have them, and they have specific vocabulary inside of them, but they are actually the same, almost, because in our languages, for example, in English, you can say the same word, for example, metro, underground, intestine, and you name the same thing, but with different types of kind of vocabulary, and sometimes a bit of the changes could be. A bit of the changes. For example, it is spoken on United Kingdom or in America. The same with different programs. It could be applied for different locations. No, we can't say the different locations because it is super objective. The programming languages, they are kind of objective, and they are truly like 1 + 1 it is 2, 2 + 2 is 4, like mathematics. And we have, okay, what should I speak then? We have kind of dialect. We can compare it with dialects, not fully, 80% comparing. Okay, 80% it means that not fully, but most part of it. And I feel really right now not super confident while speaking about it, because I don't know full vocabulary about it, and I don't know, will you watch the full video of it? Because not everybody understands it. Not everybody has skills of programming, and maybe would have it, because it is super narrow niche. Like 8 million people only. 8 million people in the world. 8 plus, 8.6 maybe. 8.6 people in the world, they program on Python. 8.6, guys. And you know that 8.6 it's not a huge number. And then what should we do with it? Okay, and you maybe understand. Okay, let's start. We have libraries. Libraries, they are like functions. I mean that they work like functions or something. For example, in our life, we have the business model, for example, yes? First movement, second, third, you do them partly. Or, for example, you have money, yes? In your life you have money. What do you do in your money? You do morning routine, yes? You do wake up, then go into the toilet, to the bathroom, also some of the cleaning of the teeth, also go into the bath and doing some of the shower. And then you are eating breakfast time and something like this. And the morning routine in this concept, it is the library money, for example. And library money, it is kind of, we can put inside of this library all the deals of the morning. And by clicking, for example, on function of the library money, on clicking on a function called, for example, breakfast, then you can do a lot of doings of breakfast. For example, you can start eating, you can start also doing, for example, preparing porridge, preparing sealing, you know. Do you understand it? Like, you have a lot of them and you can prepare by using it. I hope you understand. Because, yes, I hope you understand, because maybe yes. And library, it is something like about specific topic. They are united around the specific topic. Around the math, around the visualization, around the machine learning, around the artificial intelligence, around the neural networks, around the cars, around the biochemistry, around something about carriage, about the food in total, about the total in total. It is around the different topics. And next, what we have in our programming, it is loops. Loops, it is the repeatable actions. For example, you in the morning, or like every day, you wake up. Every day, every moment, not every day, every moment, but every day you wake up at 7 a.m. It is your loop. Repeat it till your health bar will be 0. For example, till you die. Or something. Or till the summer begin. Till the summertime begin. Summertime is here, it's a specific variable for your summer. When the summer season starts. Okay? Or maybe you can use I go to sleep and then I sleep. Yes, you understand it? And you repeat daily sleep. Repeat it till the Friday night, for example. It is super... you understand this meaning, that some people, not everybody, but majority, maybe minority, maybe the 40% of people, they are doing drinking at Friday night or till your weekends, okay? Till your weekends, I go to sleep at 10 p.m. And on weekends I go to 00 or 11 p.m. Or maybe because of this project I go to sleep to 11 p.m. Okay, you understand it? The same with it is loops called. We do actions till our condition, till our statement is agreed, is true. Is true. It means that we have weekdays, we have weekends. Weekends, they are Saturday, Sunday, and we have weekdays, they are full days. I think so. I don't know. In Russian language, we have budni. Budni, it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we have them 5 days. And or you can create a program in it. I don't know, do you understand me or not? Because previously I was talking about some of the super understandable topics of life, and people know when I speak about the life and some of the comparing of things in life. But when I speak this type of podcasts around the program language, I don't know, do you understand it or not? Okay, we have loops in our programming. It is repeatable actions. In them on Monday you do things, on Tuesday, on Thursday, and if your statement, if it is Monday, then do this, and today the day is Monday, then do actions. I hope you understand. Okay, so it is understandable. I think so. At least for me, it is super understandable. But I want you to understand. Okay, we have Monday. We have statements of if today is Monday, then do things, and then we compare. We do kind of segmentation. That is today Monday? Yes, today is Monday, and it means then if today is Monday, then do brushing your teeth, for example, or then go to work on this particular job. For example, you work as a taxi driver at Monday, and on Tuesday you work on different type of job. Right now you understand maybe better. Okay, it is different statements for each of the days, for different parts of the day. Okay, we understand it right now, I hope so. Next we have functions and variables. Variables, actually, it is the back or the specific space, specific storage for data. For megabytes, for maybe gigabytes, or maybe bytes or bits of the information that you put inside of it. And it is the variable. And variable could be called anyhow. For example, it could be called the storage, or it could be called bin variable, or the toilet paper variable, or the road variable. It could be any type of them. Okay, you understand it? And also you have functions that do different types of doings with variables. And also variables has a name and variable has a value. Value, it is the number. For example, bin has the value of x and y, and x equals for something, y equals for something, for some numbers. And the same with the, for example, bin could also have value of the rubbish inside of it. Rubbish or the trash that inside of it. Or maybe the tree could have the variable tree. Yes, we have variable tree, and inside of the tree we have photosynthesis value. It means that it is the value of that this type of the tree could generate the photosynthesis. It has a function of photosynthesis. It could provide more oxygen in our life. It means this, okay? And also we have the barrier variable, and it could has value of 0 or 1. 0, it is when it is closed, and 1, it is when it is open. It is the switch value, or the Boolean variable. Boolean variable, it is when we have on or off, or true or false, or 1 or 0, or something like this, 2 positions. Or it could be 3 positions, but it will be not Boolean. Boolean, it is only for 2 things, okay? And also we have functions. Functions, they do specific deals with our variables. For example, we can say that this function should be replacing the value of the variable. For example, we have this trash bin, yes, and we can say function utilize it. It means that trash delete from it, and it means that for this bin it should be 0 right now, the value, if we do utilization. Good, amazing. And also we can do for car. If car, function of the car start moving, car underscore start underscore moving, it means that car should start moving if the specific car that has a value of speed, it means that value of speed should be going forward, should be like speed equals right now 80 kilometers per second or 90 miles per hour or something like this, okay? And for rocket science, the same, for rocket ships, for different parts of our world. And for mirror, if we look at the mirror, then should be the mirroring part of us, yes? Like we have the reflection, and we can look in the mirror, and when we look at the mirror, then reflection of the mirror, reflection function should appear on mirror our image. It will be appearing of the image, for example, appearing of the specific pixels on the screen. I hope you understand. At least I understand, and you can understand it too. Okay? Mirror and image, it is easily, and if we describe it, it is the pixels on the screen. For example, red pixel, green pixel, blue pixel, and others. They are on our images, and the combination of this red, green, blue. Also we have HSL, it is hue, saturation, and lightness, or something like this, lightness or luminosity. Okay? Good, you understand it better. And also we have print function. Print function shows on our screen what print, like we can write print, and on screen and inside of the brackets, rounded brackets, you can show what to write on the screen. For example, hello world. or hello Igor, or hello YouTube, or hello Instagram, or hello histogram, or hello history, or others. You can put inside of the rounded brackets and it will be appeared. Nice. Print and inside of the rounded brackets, and also it should be quoted by a syntax of Python. And they could be different in different types of programming languages. For example, print ln, write ln could be on Pascal. Also on JavaScript it could be another thing too, another syntaxes of languages. And syntaxes of languages, it is grammar rules of our own languages. For example, you have rules in an Indonesian language. When you say plural form of things, then we say orang, it is the people. And orang means human. Orang means people, like plural form. And the same in English, but a little bit different. It is syntax of things. For example, we can say car and cars. Two different syntaxes. Orang or orang. It is plural and the singular form. And also the cars. Car is singular and cars is plural. Good, amazing. I hope you understand right now better. So thank you a lot for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and right now you understand more of our syntax and our understanding of programming languages and my way of speaking. I hope that was interesting, really. And for you it is new knowledge at least. And we will learn more through the days, and we will talk about different subsequences and how to look at our world with different types of languages and how we use operations of it. And I hope that you enjoyed it. See you next time. Improve yourself daily. Bye bye.